What is Modbus? Modbus is a serial communication protocol developed by Modicon, published by Modicon in 1979 for use with its programmable logic controllers (PLCs). In simple terms, it is a method used for transmitting information over serial lines between electronic devices. The device requesting the information is called the Modbus master, and the devices supplying information are Modbus slaves. In a standard Modbus network, there is one master and up to 247 slaves, each with a unique slave address from 1 to 247. The master can also write information to the slaves. What is Modbus used for? Modbus is an open protocol, meaning that it's free for manufacturers to build into their equipment without having to pay royalties. It has become a standard communications protocol in industry, and is now the most commonly available means of connecting industrial electronic devices. It is used widely by many manufacturers throughout many industries. Modbus is typically used to transmit signals from instrumentation and control devices back to a main controller or data gathering system, for example a system that measures temperature and humidity and communicates the results to a computer. Modbus is often used to connect a supervisory computer with a remote terminal unit (RTU) in supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) systems. Versions of the Modbus protocol exist for serial lines Modbus RTU and Modbus ASCII, and for Ethernet Modbus TCP. How does it work? Modbus is transmitted over serial lines between devices. The simplest setup would be a single serial cable connecting the serial ports on two devices, a master and a slave. The data is sent as series of ones and zeros called bits. Each bit is sent as a voltage. Zeros are sent as positive voltages and ones as negative. The bits are sent very quickly. A typical transmission speed is 9,600 baud bits per second. How is data stored in standard Modbus? Information is stored in the slave device in 4 different tables. 2 tables store on-off discrete values coils, and 2 store numerical values registers. The coils and registers each have a read-only table and read-write table. Each table has 9,999 values. Each coil or contact is 1 bit and assigned a data address between 0000 and 270.